Hey tubers, back to with something freshly baked right in the oven with the guys from Hello from Pixelo. They provide us in this course with some awesome renders which we can work with. Thanks a lot, thumbs up. You should totally check them out, see their work, maybe follow them. Thumbs up, much love. So, you know the drill, the file is down in the description. What you need to do is you should download it and we can get started, but not at least. Let's take a quick preview of this today's awesome course that Hello from Pixelo provided us those great assets 3D renders. Let's go. This is the file. A quick preview, the guide which we're gonna using today. All the elements are inside here. All good. Oh, let me just add this one too, just to have the content. Quick preview again. Yeah. Nice. Let's start. Just simply delete everything. Create a new artboard. We're gonna use the basic iPhone 10. Let's define the grid. A quick one, square. 5 pixels, square size. As a fill for the background, we're gonna use this blue from the guide artboard. Let's quickly add. Press V for select. Oops. Hold Alt to make a copy. Let's put the logo in the middle. We need the menu and the cart. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, ready. Okay, so in the upper part we're gonna have this for info buttons. Just make a copy, 4 copy of them, 20 pixels. Margin left and right, we have 20 here, 20 here. Select all 4 and just distribute them horizontally. And now we have 25, 25, 25 with 20 on the sides. Good. Quickly made. Let's add our components, our main sliders. Again, 22 margin. Let's make a new copy. Let's make sure we have 20 to right with 25 in the middle, so they're properly aligned. And the final card, the big one. Let's add a bit of space between them. Let's just use pixels. 1 second. Let's select them all and have 35 from the logo. We have 36, 35. Since we're using 5 square grid, we're gonna have all the spacings by 0 or 5, like 10 pixels or 15 pixels, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, let's quickly use, let's use 30. It's okay. It's okay here also. 35 to bottom. 20, 20, 20. Well, that was quick for creation the home artboard. Now let's quickly add our namings. Some namings are already made, we just need to change them. This should be 1B, 1C, and 1D. That's the D. Cool. Let me take a sip of water. I think we didn't miss anything. Oh, we miss those. Let's put them somewhere. 380, 360. 360 from the top part to here, the upper part of the artboard. Let's drag the right slider. Let's make sure they are aligned. They are. Okay. Now we have all the assets inside our main artboard. Now let's stylize them. Let's create another 2 copies. Let's make sure we have 25. Yeah, now it's 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25, 25. Yeah, so those will be the invisible cards which we're gonna drag or slide in. Yeah, all good so far. Let's add our pictures, our main renders, which Hello from Pixelo made them. You should totally check them out. I will leave you a link down in the description where you can find them and see their awesome stuff. Thanks again. Thumbs up. Good stuff. Yeah. Just cut it, Command X, get inside the group. Let's name it A. B, C, and D. Okay, get inside group A, paste it, drag it beneath the rectangle, select them both, mask with shape. Now let's find the position, maybe scale it down a bit. Yeah, looking nice. Same thing to this one. No, we're gonna not use a path. We're gonna use the same picture, drag it beneath, select the rectangle and the render, mask with shape, double click, select, increase the size, maybe just take a close-up to the details. Let's check the grid. You see the render is good detail. Let's add this one, Command X or Control X to cut it, get inside the group, paste it, why we have a path? Oh no, this one. Back. Now we paste it underneath the rectangle, put it somewhere there, select them both, mask with shape, good. Maybe just scale it down a bit. Cool, and for the last one we're gonna use this render. Cut it, enter the group, paste it, drag it underneath the rectangle, select them both and mask them. Let's find something. Yeah, cool. And on the final component we're gonna use this one, Command C or Control C to make a copy, get inside the group, paste it underneath the rectangle, scale it, something like so, mask, oh, we're too big, let's decrease a bit the size. Yeah, something like so, works good. Let's add a bit of color. Use the same yellow is here. Change the text to black and add a bold weight. And for this course we're gonna use only the Poppins, just that font. It's free, it's a Google font, you should download it, free to use. think we're okay. The only thing that remained is to add some titles to the cards. Let's oops. Let's not use uppercase. And when I say let's not. So as I remember correctly, those were the exact titles. I think it was water resistant. So on. Packed with power. Yeah, those I tap them in with caps lock, holding shift. And on the final one, your music ready to go. That's a 0. Let's add a bit of typo treatment. We're gonna emphasize this. Oops. Let's make it white. 1 second. Yeah, it was not bold. It was medium and white. Let's emphasize the resistant. Oops. Again, medium with white. And here, you know, the power, medium, emphasize white. And here, music, medium, white. This one, it was something like multi-link connection support, and we're gonna leave it like so. Yeah, let's change those titles like full titanium. Let's use just those in uppercase. Let's say free shipping. This one was 3-year warranty. F uppercase, uppercase. And this one was iOS and Android compatible. And we gonna uppercase A and OS. So we're pretty much done with the home page. Let's check if we have all the groups named A, B, C, D, E. Slide L, slide right, left. Let's check the menu, cart, logo. Now let's start to animate. Before we do that, we need to group these cards and make them a whole group. Select them all, press Command G or Ctrl G on Windows. They are selected. Slider. Okay. Now you will not see the cards that are outside the artboard since they're grouped. That means they're belonging to this artboard even if they're outside, and a component from this group is inside the artboard, so they will be invisible as long as one element touches the artboard. Let's make a copy. Hold Alt Shift drag to the right. Let's name it home slider. Let's move it a bit farther away. We're in the group. Select them all four and drag them into place. Let's just activate our grid. Be sure to have them all selected. Yeah, 4 square, 20 pixels. Something wrong with the spacing? 18. Lol. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we had 25 between them, 22 margins. Okay, let's check here. Oh, we forgot to align them. Yeah. Let's use 25. 25. 25. Good. Let's uncheck the grid. Let's make a quick test. Go to Prototype tab, select the slider group, connect it to the home slider, trigger drag because we're gonna use a drag action. We're gonna slide between them. Action auto animate, ease in, ease out. Do the same with this one. Connect it to the home, drag automate, ease in, ease out. Let's test. Yeah, works pretty fine, smooth, simple, but we don't like simple. No, we don't. Let's go to the home, switch to the design tab, select the outer groups, the C and the D. Yeah. Let's scale them down evenly, hold Alt and Shift. The last one, scale it even more. Move it right to this one. Let's get rid of this one. Let's change the font size. To 13. Yeah. Let's do the same thing with those two. This one, 141. Lock the aspect ratio, 141. Let's middle align, 13. Good. 125. Lock aspect ratio, 125. Do the same thing with these cards, the same as we did for these cards. Let's test it. You see? It's like a rotating, revolving effect. This one is getting smaller. This one is getting bigger. See, nice. Nice transition. What can we do even more? Go deep inside the group, select the image that we masked. Move a bit the image inside the mask. Maybe increase the size. Do the same here. Select it here, maybe move it a bit. Maybe decrease it a bit. Yeah. Yeah, nice. It's a very subtle effect. But makes a big difference. Creating an even more depth of field effect. Nice, yeah. One thing that we did wrong, we changed the value of the distance of the cards. Instead of keeping 25, do the same here. We almost double it. I saw an error in the animation. It was right here between them. Yeah, now it's fixed. Look on the right card. very subtle effect where the buttons are visible when it's small and gently, easily disappearing when it's big. See? It's very eye-catching. Nice. We're done with those cards. Cool. Cool. Triple cool. What we want to do now, create a new copy, change the title, slider, big, no, expand. Because we're gonna expand this card. Let's make sure on all our boards this card is above all other groups but beneath to these two groups, to the sliders arrows. We want them, we want it beneath them. Yeah, it's placed good. Okay, simply increase the height of the group, double click, no, double click, get inside the group of the mask, get it a bit above those buttons. Yeah. Now move the picture inside the group. Let's make sure we scale it from the right upper corner. This only just want to disappear. Ah, we forgot one thing. Those two arrow sliders, we need to group them. Let's go quickly do that. Sliders. Command G. Sliders. Command G. Sliders. I will show you why. Because this step we want to get rid of the slider arrows. Just drag it away, drag it outside the artboard, but why does it happen? Command X to cut it. Yeah, it's not touching the artboard. Oh, let's drag a bit further away. Yeah. That's something unexpected. Cut it, edit, let's do something real quick, a quick fix. Let's add it to this group. Oh, so annoying. Cut it now, add it to this group. Now it's okay. Now we need to do the same thing on the previous boards. Let's make sure the arrows are above any element in this group. Good. You have a... No, it's okay. Something strange. Oh, due to this one, yeah. Let's leave it like so. Let's quickly go to the prototype tab, double click the group to select just this this element, connect it to the expand artboard and trigger tap. Is in, is out, 0.8. Let's check. A bit slow, 0.6. Still too slow. Let's ease the ending of the animation. Not bad. Let's use a snap. Not sure if I want to use a snap. No. Looks good, but no. Ease out. Ease out should be. We want to add this component. Switch to design tab, make a copy. Since I already created these elements to save up some time when I'm filming this, and also easier for you to get into the animation part, you can just see how I did it by ungrouping all the elements, check the fonts, the spacings, the size, the colors, the transparency, sizes, everything. I'm gonna use this component. Let's make sure it's in place. What we had, oh yeah, we had this one, and we want to have it here. Let's make sure it's right here. Leave it like so. Drag a rectangle until the bottom of the artboard. No border. Select the spec group, the new rectangle, mask with shape. I think I should drag it a bit maybe go with the mask a bit down to the bottom of the trigger dragster, I don't know. Since this element has a fine drop shadow and we don't want to cut it, see? Yeah, we have a bit of the rectangle is here. I want to go 1 pixel down and up with the entire mask. Great. Yeah, make a new copy. Let's rename it to cart. Oh, forgot one thing. Delete it. You know what's here. Select the top one, -45. Put it somewhere there. +45. So let's delete those values after the point. Do the same for this one. Let's leave it like so. Pretty cool. Now make a new copy and name it final. Have something here which we will delete. Card expand. So here we want to drag down the add to cart and move up inside the group, inside the mask. Move the entire group above. So let's check. And 35, 34, I think it's snapping to this one. Yeah. We will not use any masks right now. Nobody will see that, just us. And that's the most important thing. If it's not visible, good to go. Let's make a new copy where we put back this one because we want to have a delayed animation when we get to this page. We don't want all elements come from all sides together like a complete chaos. We don't want to do that. Good. Now let's quickly go to prototype, select the entire artboard, snap it to this one and select the time trigger. One other thing, about the time triggers, it will only be available to work with when you select the entire artboard and not an element inside, just for the entire artboard. Time delay 0.4 is out, the same time 0 is out 0.4. Let's test it. So from here, go back to design. Yeah. A bit too fast. Or, yeah, a bit fast. Let's change the timings. Let's make 0.8. It's slow. It's very important to find the perfect timings. .6. And for this one, snap. No, snap, it's not suitable right now. Is out. Excellent. Let's organize a bit, move them down. Final specs. New copy. And here we gonna drag this one. Oops. Double click to enter the, switch to design. Be sure you have here selected this this component. Drag it until here. Yeah, oops, the mask. That's okay. Move a bit up. Yeah, you see, we have here a very subtle effect of something cool. I don't know how to name it. It looks just cool. But we want to have this one over the add to cart button. And we lost our effect. Just if we move this component over the other elements inside, and we need to do the same thing here. Command bracket. Let's see, yeah. This rectangle 41 is the background. And it's good. Go to prototype. Get inside the group. Make sure you have this one selected. Or you can just go in the layer panel, select the specs folder, specs group, connect it to this one, to the dragged expanded group element. Use the drag button, drag action, use snap. Oh, let's go back again. Spec group. Back to our previous artboard with tap. Let's change a bit the timing, 0.3, 0.6. Yeah, you see, we get that snapping effect, a bit of backwards and forward. Let's do it again. Be attention here in the upper part. See, small bouncing effect. Excellent. And we're done. Let's go back from the beginning. Very nice. Boom, boom, specs. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this one with your friends or anybody else who's interested in animating and designing with Adobe Xd. So thanks a lot again, and see you next time. Bye.